Good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday the 12th of August and this is my allotment transformation blog for today. So today we're down here on the plot. It's absolutely boiling already. We had a storm last night which watered everything, so I don't need to water outside, which is fantastic. So today we are going to be continuing with the area that I'm transforming. That's going to take till the end of the week probably to finish off that area, as it's quite a big area and there is a lot of rubbish there. That's why I've just dumped everything in the past, which I wish I hadn't. So it's a case of clearing all that away. So yeah, let's see what we're doing today down on the plot. As you can see, it's starting to come along pretty good. Hopefully I'll get up to the tree today. That's the plan for today's task. So yeah, got quite a bit to clear and get on with. And those are all the bloody bricks I keep digging up. Grr. So yeah, let's get cracking. Guess what? Surprise, surprise. It's like deja vu with this every single day. As I'm digging up more bricks under the soil. There must have been absolutely loads of bricks under here. I've dug all them up just from this small area. I'm wanting to get it cleared and then levelled out, and that should be the job for today. The bricks that I'm digging up I'm going to use as edging stones all the way down the side of the path, so it'll look something a bit like that side. So yeah, it's good that I'm finding all these bricks, just a pain really. Well, while I've been digging I've found this tool. Look at this. This is a good tool, good for clearing out those weeds. So yeah, I'm finding plenty of stuff while I'm digging in this area. It's unbelievable, it's brilliant. What the hell have I found now? I'm sure there must have been a house built here at one point, because the amount of bricks that I've found, it's shocking, absolutely. I could build a house and live down here with how many I've found. Whether they'll come out, I don't know. Let's give it a try. Called for the sledgehammer. I don't know if I'll get that bit out, but I'm gonna just dig that bit back over. But this is gonna be a seated area, so I want it a level area, so I've got to get it out. So let's see how far this bloody wall goes up to. It's amazing how much extra space this is creating on my plot, as I've never used this area or this area where all the rubbish is, but look at how big it is. It's unbelievable. And it's going to look good once I've got my composting bins in, a nice little seating area, and hopefully have some flowers growing along this front as well. That's the plan anyway, but whether it'll appear, we'll see. But yeah, I'm definitely going to put a lot of effort into this, and I can't wait to see the rewards from it all next year. So that is it, it's all cleared up to the tree. Those are all the bricks I've found. Bricks after bricks everywhere. So fingers crossed I can get that stone wall built back up and make it look better, and then it'll be a case of getting it all levelled out and getting my stone edging in down the side of the plot, which I might do tomorrow so that it clears up a lot of the bricks. So fingers crossed I can get that stone edging done. So we'll see what it looks like tomorrow and see if we can crack on with it and see how we get on. So yeah, it's been a busy old day. I'm tired out now. So that's it for today. Down on the allotment I've got plenty done and I'm absolutely shattered. Hence I didn't get much sleep last night, so it's tired me out, obviously from the storms, staying up watching them. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Feel free to share it as well and leave comments below on how you think I'm getting on. So yeah, back tomorrow to continue the little project. Little, should I say, massive, a mammoth task. It's like starting a plot again. So yeah, I'll be back down tomorrow. Make sure you come back and see how we get on. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep gardening.